Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cleansing the tanned skin thoroughly. This removes surface oils that block treatments. Next, gently exfoliate using a scrub or soft loofah to slough off dead cells. This speeds fading. Be careful, test a small patch first so you don't irritate sensitive skin. Once done, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Make sure to wear loose clothing while your skin calms. This prevents friction. These quick first steps prime the skin for chemical or natural brightening agents. You now apply an active brightening agent to break down excess pigment. Choose vitamin C serum or azelaic acid for safer chemical fading. Apply thinly and follow product instructions. Alternatively, use diluted lemon juice cautiously, 1/2 lemon with water, and avoid if skin is sensitive. Once applied, let it absorb fully, then lock in moisture with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Make sure to wait before sun exposure. Active ingredients increase photosensitivity. If you plan outdoor activities, always follow with broad-spectrum SPF to prevent retanning. You finish by committing to maintenance and watching results. Repeat exfoliation and brightening 3 to 4 times weekly and expect gradual improvement over several weeks. If you notice redness, burning, or excessive peeling, stop treatments immediately. Soothe the area with aloe vera gel and a cool compress, then give your skin a few days to recover. Once calm, reintroduce gentler routines. If the tan persists despite consistent care, consult a dermatologist. Professional peels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.